Budget Boss here. It's 8 a.m. I'm on my morning walk, eating my morning pizza, and I thought to myself, what do I want to bring to Pit Boss Nation? I want to bring you guys this pickle pizza. It's delicious. It's perfect for your 8 a.m. morning walks. If you haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You'll learn how to make this full recipe right now.
Alright guys, so to start off this recipe, we're going to make our garlic cream sauce. We're going to start by putting 4 tablespoons of butter into a hot pan. We're going to let these melt down for a bit. Once it's nice and melted down, then we're going to add our garlic. Then I'm going to add 6 cloves of garlic that have already been minced. I'm going to let that cook up a bit. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour to this mixture and mix it around. After I add the 2 tablespoons of flour, I'm going to mix it around for a bit. You should see that this sauce is about to start thickening up. Then I'm going to start adding my milk. Now we want to add it gradually. You don't want to dump it all in at once. We're going to be using 2 cups of milk, whole or 2%. All right, we're going to keep mixing it up. Then I'm going to add 1/2 of a cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese to our mixture. Then we're going to add our pepper. Continue to mix it all up. All right, now it's starting to look ready. We can pull this off. While it cools, it'll naturally start to thicken up. I'm going to get 1 pack of bacon and I'm going to place it onto my Austin XL. This is the Onyx edition. You can find this unit at Walmart if you want your own. So I'm going to smoke the bacon for about 10 minutes. I'm just trying to get a nice semi-crispy. Now I'm going to place my 2 Pit Boss pizza stones onto the smoker. I placed one on the left and the right. Close it up, let it get up to temperature. We're going to be heating up the smoker to 350 degrees today. Now we're going to cut up our bacon. We're going to get our pre-made pizza dough. I let it unthaw out. Once it's proofed a bit and it's nice and soft, then I'm going to poke holes into it with a fork. This is so that way those big bubbles that come up on the pizza, that doesn't happen. Then I'm going to add some GSP rub from Pit Boss. That's garlic, salt, and pepper. And then I'm going to add our garlic cream sauce that we made as the quote unquote as the sauce for this pizza. Now I'm going to add mozzarella cheese to this. And then I'm also going to add sharp white cheddar. You don't want to put too much because it's going to overpower it a little bit. Next, I'm going to load this pizza up with some sandwich dill chips. The more the merrier. When we tested this recipe, we only put a little bit of pickles and a lot of bacon. And the one piece of feedback I got from the whole team is more pickles, more pickles. So we're loading this up, and then we're going to add our bacon to the top after we loaded it up with pickle. Now we're going to open up our smoker and we're going to add some of this semolina on top of our pizza stone. This is so that way it's nice and crispy at the bottom, but also so it doesn't burn. Now we're going to add our pizza to the stone. And you'll see throughout. You'll see the cheese start to melt. You'll see the crust start to rise. If it spills over a little bit, there might be a little bit of burnt crust at the edge if your pizza dough is too big for the stone. So try your best to keep it within the size of the stone. All right, now we're gonna smoke these for about 30 minutes. In between that 30 minutes, I'm gonna rotate it like this. So that way it cooks evenly throughout this whole time. Now that it's ready to go, we're gonna pull it off. I'm gonna add some chopped dill on top of it. Then I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese on top of it. Make sure you freshly grate this Parmesan cheese too. I don't want any of that seasoning in the bottle stuff. We want real Parmesan cheese on this pizza. And then finally, we're gonna add Mike's hot honey on top. This is the cherry on top of it. Gives it that kick, but don't be too afraid of using too much hot honey because those pickles really even out that spice. It really isn't even too spicy. I might throw some red chili flakes on top, chop it all up, add some more hot honey just for that flavor. And there you have it. We have our pickle pizza. Happy National Pickle Day, everyone. Thank you again for watching. You can make homemade ranch. You can store buy the ranch. However it goes, this is the best pizza that you need to try.
All right, budget bosses, so there you have it. We have made our pickle pizza. We added the bacon, we dipped it in ranch. We cooked it on our Pit Boss Austin XL Onyx edition. You can get those at Walmart. Make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you let us know what you want to see on the next episode of Budget Bosses. Let us know how you're budgeting this season so that way you can make the most out of your Pit Boss. Also, I want to give a big thanks to everybody who's been liking, subscribing, interacting, watching, supporting Pit Boss as a whole. You guys are the core and the foundation of this company. So I just wanted to say thank you very much, and I will see you guys next time. Always remember, everyone's got to eat.